In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Outlook 5 minutes. We'll walk through the full sign-in flow from the official Microsoft site so you can get into your inbox quickly and securely. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Microsoft Outlook login page. Make sure the address bar shows a Microsoft domain. That simple check helps protect you from lookalike sites. Give the page a second to load fully so all buttons and fields appear correctly. On the page, select the Sign In option. This takes you to Microsoft's secure sign-in screen. Here, enter the username associated with your Microsoft account. That can be the email address you use for Outlook, a phone number, or a Skype name that's linked to your account. Take a moment to double check spelling, especially anything after the @ symbol for work or school accounts, because even a small typo can prevent you from moving forward smoothly. Once your username looks right, continue to the next screen. You'll be prompted for your password. Type it carefully, remembering that passwords are case sensitive. It's a good idea to glance at your keyboard and make sure caps lock isn't on by accident. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it fill the password for you to reduce typing errors. Keep this information private and enter it only on the secure Microsoft page you opened earlier. After your password is in, proceed to sign in. You might see a brief loading spinner as Microsoft verifies your credentials. Depending on your organization's or account's security settings, you could also see a standard prompt related to staying signed in or other verification. That's normal behavior and typically appears on trusted devices. When the sign-in completes, you'll land in your Outlook mailbox. You should see your inbox, folders along the side, and the new message button at the top. If the mailbox view takes a moment to appear, give it a few seconds. A quick page refresh can help if your connection is slow. If you're told the username or password is incorrect, re-enter them carefully and watch for extra spaces before or after your email address. That's all there is to it. Go to the official Outlook sign-in page, choose sign in, enter your username, continue, type your password, and complete the sign-in. You're now inside your account and ready to read, compose, and manage your email. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and signing in only from trusted devices and networks.